Hello. Also short video ya. Oli belo givan lo you suppose you want to teach him course where hemi Trenem TIngting Kos. Trenem TIngting Kos, you got 3 part belo hem. Part 1, part 2, more part 3. One big flatting thing where you must hold him and me say, you know, must teach him or something, yeah, hurry up too much. You must teach him slow. Suppose you want the man, he really cuss him, more he really give hand lo him. Two, we got ting say, you may want them, every participant, only sabe say, talk blo God, emi highway high, from where God emi show mat him one, lo talk blo him. So you got all different exercise where, you know, come out lo talk blo God, do, nothing where, you know, really, yes, all story nothing. He point lo, one fashion blo read him good, talk blo God, blo mani sabe kas him good, straight meaning blo him. One talk where you may go through lo him planting and me him critical thinking. Critical thinking and me hard blo, you may tell him straight meaning blo him. Be easy blo kas him meaning, yeah. Suppose you may think about fashion blow one critical thinker. So you know what it too much blow tell him straight meaning blow critical thinking. The time you tell him out one critical thinker, he all same. More time only practice law exercise blow make use law kind thing, yeah. Thing by only him. By you look all gold blow course. One page where before page one you know start yet, they got one page where tell him come one critical thinker in blow course or participant in survey or something where you start blow list, so got list blow or something, yeah. So good blow you read him all this year, might you read him out all get it too, from where Emia part 1 now where you may start la him, he important say you may make him one good fla start, introduction, stamper, blow after you may have a build go on top la him. So he got yes, or say me tell him finish, you may want him everyone is have a say one critical thinker and me one in kind man, one in kind fashion blow him. More two we could blow always have a from one of you may stop talk about something, yeah. By give on lol get a or give on lo yumi all same one him. You got 2 talk where you go through the full course. One emi information, another one emi lasting thing. So 2 talk emi important, blomani kasem good meaning blo 2 talk. So by come out lo lesson, they just blow you take note la him. After another big something. Say you may want to more manually get used to ask him question, more save from one him now, and me important blo ask him question, more by givan lol get all same one him. Suppose only ask him plenty question, lo want something. Okay, every lesson he got name blo him, more underneath lo name blo him, he got stamper blo lesson. So good blow you save good stamper blow lesson before you go ahead with them lesson. Let me write too, suppose you want to read him out stamper blow lesson, lol participant time you teach him lesson. So suppose you mean look lo lesson 1 and me tell him one him now critical thinking. So stamper blow lesson he tell him all same. Critical thinking and we got 3 half blah him. Think about scale him, more walk him out. Hemia 3 something where you must make him. So na stampa blo lesson and minim say lo en blo lesson or participant he must save say he got 3 part blo process where you may go through lo hem where you may tell him critical thinking. Lesson he start off with him some when him drama or short drama where all example blow drama where you save use them and Mr. Blow resource book we got all different resource blow use them all lesson Pero one part blo hem by you look all drama. So might you use some hem, suppose you want to change them a little bit, them do me alright. They mean something and me blo look fashion blo ting blo man. So some man only got no drama, you may look some man where only use some critical thinking, they got somewhere, no, only make come lo one decision or one last thing, hurry up too much. So I mean now you may want them everyone he cast them good blow, you may look problem blow, you may suppose you may make him more same way, you may hurry up too much blow, following one something or think about one something. After by you look all three vla talk think about scale him, walk him out. So it's three vla talk by you may tell him lo part 1 plenty time, pay lo part 2 or part 3 back again. So full course Emmy blow think about time you may look one something or you may hear him one something or you may read him one something. More big for something. Emmy blow think about talk blow God. You may read him or same one him. Critical thinking by Givan lo you may time you may read him talk blow God or same one him. Ale, now I got one exercise blow one man where him one critical thinker him all same one him. So by you look all answer stop lo space lo book lo you where you teacher they all get it now only must write them. Only no sabe yet so by you must give hand lo get it lo sabe answer where only write him lo book lo get it. I got some more talk back again. More especially lo side lo given how when I'm critical thinking by given lo you may all same one him and more last one Emmy lo given lo you may lo read him good talk blo God read him good Bible. And now in blo lesson 1 because slow lo him read him back again all answer where only write him. Blo always start off with the one clear thing say okay you may go from something here now.